Hello! I'm happy to be with you again, and I hope that you love our previous video about diamond painting kits. And today we've prepared for you something much more interesting, because we will talk with you about the loveliest topic, in my opinion, about holidays and gifts. I will not ask you if you love holidays, because I'm sure I know the right answer, but I have prepared for you another question. Have you ever created a handmade gift for someone that you really love? If yes, that's great. And if you were willing to, but something has stopped you, so Wizardi is here and happy to offer you our new product, diamond painting cards. That will be a wonderful gift for any occasion or for no occasion at all. While preparing for this video, I was lucky to test some cards at home, and I could tell you that this process is really breathtaking, fascinating, and I wish you to try to make these cards by yourself. Wizardi team has prepared for you the whole range of cards. Let's have a look at them. I think that the most popular theme in hobby and in arts products is birthday, and so I will show you our cute birthday cards. This one, for example, and this one, and these cards, as you see, are full of light and bright and really cute. For example, this one would be a great gift for a boy, and this is a wonderful choice for a girl. And we also have gifting cards with the image of a unicorn. This one and this. A unicorn theme is always a very popular topic in hobby and arts products. This happens because they are always depicted as colorful, bright and cute creatures, like this and like this. And even Aristotle and Herodotus mentioned these mystical creatures in their writings. And what about you? Do you believe in existence of unicorns? So while you're choosing which card you love most of all, I would like to tell you some interesting facts about the first Christmas card. Did you know that the first Christmas card was established in London in 1843? Thanks to Sir Henry Cole, who hired an artist, John Horsley, to make a greeting card for his friends. And so, more than 150 years has passed, but Christmas cards nowadays are still trendy, and due to Sir Henry Cole. So thanks for this idea. Okay, and now I'd like also to show you the cards. Not for any occasion, they just contain kind words and nice wishes. For example, like this one, let me see. For example, discover new, or normal is boring, or for example, you're beautiful, I love you, or this one, collect moments and not things. So now I showed you the cards for some occasions, such as birthday or Christmas or New Year, but now I also would like to show you the cards with kind words and with nice wishes that could be just for expressing your feelings, such as love, for example, love to your partner, where the cutest ones, for example, to my hot pepper and to my heart strawberry. Yes, I think they're really cute. or for example to express love to the nearest people and gratitude to them. For example, like this. All tenderness is in mom's heart. I love this very much, and you see that our designers worked very well on this card, and everything is good in it. So you see fragile colors, you see a fragile flower, and also a nice inscription. And so I think that it could be a great gift for your mom. And so also we will show you the process of card assembling on this one. Make love not war, like in John Lennon's song Make Love Not War. I know you've heard it before. Love is the answer. Or for example this one, collect moments and not things. And I think it could be it could give a breath of fresh air to someone that you love, and to someone who tired from everyday's worries. And also where is it? This one. Enjoy every moment. And I think that the picture fits the inscription very well. Yes, no harm at all from a glass of red wine. So, trick or treat. I'm sure you guessed about what I'm going to tell you. And so, because treat or trick customs is known all over the world. And yes, I'm talking about Halloween. And Halloween is a favorite holiday for the kids. And so we also prepared some cards for you. For example, this one, Happy Halloween, or this one, Boo. And so I'd like to note that our designers mixed dark colors in order to express horrifying and terrifying atmosphere of this holiday. And here you could see that red color works with black color perfectly, I think. And so we also have an extra Halloween card, this one, and you see that it is very shiny and sparkling. Certainly, a birth of a child is the most important event in everyday's life, and so we have this two cute cards. If you wish to celebrate your friends on this occasion. And you see that we chose a delicate pink color for a girl birth and a traditional blue color for a boy birth. So these cards could be a wonderful gift for you or for your friends. And so, as you noticed, we did not assemble all the cards. Why? Because we have decided to celebrate the launch of our new product with a giveaway. And so we've prepared 5 nice cards. And so you should watch this video, you should like this video and share it. And till the next Friday, and the winners will get a card. And so we will have 5 winners because we have 5 not assembled cards. And so I've already showed you this. All tenderness in mom's heart. Then be happy. One more. Christmas theme. Happy winter. Also Christmas card. And happy birthday. So good luck to everyone. We also have one not assembled card. And we will show you the process of its assembling right now. So let's start. finally, we have finished this beautiful card. And so this is the result of our creative work. Thanks for watching us. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget about today's giveaway. And leave comments, ask your questions, and have a great weekend. Bye.